Hi, welcome to the BOOX channel. Today, we'll explore how to create visual notes using BOOX tablets. Visual note-taking combines handwritten text, illustrations, and layouts to make your ideas clearer and more memorable. We'll show you how to take effective visual notes with the Note Air 4C. Let's dive into the 4 essential steps to create your visual note with our device. Here's what we'll cover. Define the topic and key points. Plan the layout and sketch. Visualize your thinking, optimize, and refine. The first step to creating great visual notes is to define your topic and key points. Whether it's study notes, brainstorming, or meeting takeaways, having a clear goal will help you organize your ideas more effectively. For example, in study notes, you might want to capture the main ideas or summarize key concepts for easy review later. To make things easier, start with a pre-designed template. It gives your notes a clear structure so you can focus on the content. With split screen, you can view materials on one side while taking notes on the other, saving time and staying organized. To organize the content you've gathered, let's start by planning the layout. There are several ways to arrange your visual notes, but here are 5 basic options: column, pathway, hub and spoke layout, box, and popcorn layout. Before starting to sketch, adjust the canvas size to fit your needs. Then outline the overall structure and draft a rough framework before adding details. With the layout in place, let's move on to the visualizing your thoughts and enhancing the content with elements like shapes, text, and colors. Now comes the fun part: visualizing your thoughts. First, you can handwrite the main titles and key points to add a personal touch. Highlight key sections with banners. Use boxes or bullet points to keep your ideas organized and easy to follow. Once your structure is set, you can add shapes and colors. The latest firmware, version 4.0, provides 27 shapes to divide sections or emphasize ideas. Try different colors or use the 5-brush options to make sections stand out and easier to read. If something doesn't quite fit right, just tap the lasso tool. You can circle, move, or rearrange anything you need. It's quick, easy, and keeps your ideas flowing. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into 3 advanced tips to optimize your visual notes and streamline your workflow. Using multiple layers is a great way to keep your content organized and easy to manage. For instance, you can use the first layer for your main structure, the second for detailed text, and a third for highlights or color blocks. By distributing different elements across separate layers, you can adjust or edit specific content without affecting others, reducing interference and keeping your layout neat. Tip number 2. Use Outline to manage multi-page notes. This feature allows you to set the page as an outline entry. And you can manually edit titles and subtitles to create a clear structure. Once it's set up, the outline makes jumping between sections easy and keeps everything organized. Let's move on to the 3rd tip. The Insert feature lets you add links to other pages, sections, or even external resources within your notes. This makes connecting related ideas easy and helps you navigate your content. Once your visual note is polished and complete, you can easily sync it to the Onyx cloud for safe storage. This way, your notes are always accessible across all of your devices. Plus, if you want to share your insights with colleagues or friends, you can export your notes to third-party apps or send them via email. This makes it easy to collaborate and ensures your work is always within reach. That's it for today. Start creating your own visual notes and see how fun it can be. BOOX has plenty more features for you to explore, so give it a try today.